Says hear what or see what Jordan Scott. He's having the season of his life, by the way. 3 victories on the Diamond League circuit among his exploits this season. Let's hear from Jordan Scott.
We started the year with a goal, and the goal is still the same, to come here and medal. So, I mean, it's just head down working, and I mean, I think the results have been showing so far this season, and it's just continuing to put in the work, I mean, and getting ready for the big dance on Friday.
Based on what you did here in the qualifying rounds, anything you'll be working on in particular in that final?
Yeah, I mean, a little bit tentative into the board today, just because you want to be safe. I think that we played it smart. Didn't touch the board for my qualifying attempt. So I think it's just looking back at the film and seeing where we can fix that up and get ready to jump fire.
All right, Jordan. Thank you, and all the very best in that final, man.
So Jordan Scott has a season's best of 17.52 meters for the triple jump. The world leader is at 17.80. Warren, as I said, the field is so stacked. You've got the world leader, you've got the defending champion, and you've got the Olympic silver medalist coming back to battle here.
Well, regardless of how stacked the fields are, Jordan, who is going in as an underdog, has the second best jump for the season. Before I get there, I just want to say, I know my champion nights are going to be up in the morning watching, because who would have known that we'd have seen a champion man on the world stage, mostly in our finals. Jordan is having the scene of his life. As I was saying before, he has come to many obstacles, but I think this is the year that he'll get it. He's at the finals, and I think if Jordan goes and make big jumps for the first jumps, I think he can take the medal. Get the pressure out there, get the big jumps in the first jumps, and just leave everybody else to panic. That's the game plan.